This computer. Hi, my name is Jodie and I'm from Northwest Accountancy. I'm the tax agent and my role is to educate and make tax easy. So today I wanted to talk to you about tax claims. So I've got a little spreadsheet that I want to share with you. And what I want to go through is how tax claims actually work. So your income at the end of the year, so when you get your payment summary or your income statement is now lodged online with the tax office by your employer. So your income that you receive from your job is calculated and the right amount of tax should be taken out for you based on the way you filled out your tax file number declaration form. So when your work completes your payment summary, if you have earned $70,000, then the tax on that is $13,217. So if you were to lodge your tax return at this time with no claims, so nothing that you want to put against that income, then work will have taken out $13,217 worth of tax, and the tax on $70,000 is $13,217. So the way the tax system is supposed to work is if all your income is taxed correctly, then you don't get a refund. That's the ideal situation. You don't pay more tax than you have to, you don't pay less tax and have to top it up and pay more to the tax office at the time you do your tax return. So how tax claims work, and there's lots of different words for this. So you've got tax claims, tax deductions, deductible amounts. What sort of things are you able to claim, and how does that talk to or interact with your income? So the general rule of thumb for work-related expenses is if it helps you, if there's that nexus, if there's that link between earning income, making more income, being better at your job, all of those things, if there's that link between the income and the cost, then you can claim it. Now, what do we mean by claim? So in this example, I've got $2,000 is your tax claim or your tax deductions. So your $2,000 then is reduced from your income. So instead of paying tax on $70,000, you pay tax on $68,000. So the tax on $68,000 is $12,567. So you can see there that the tax on $68,000 is less than the tax on $70,000. So what this means, if we lodged your tax return here, is that you get a refund of $650 based on the $2,000 that you spent. I'll let that one sink in. You spent $2,000 and you get a refund back of $650. So please remember or note that a tax claim is not a tax refund. A tax claim reduces your income, and so you pay tax at a lower rate. Now, this claim is something that you may come across in relation to your work, for deductions, for tax advice, or it may be for something like negative gearing. So if you've got a property that you're spending money on, that you're receiving rent for, but your outgoings are more than your incomings, then this would be a tax claim as well. So whatever that bottom figure is where you've spent more than your income, then that would be your claim. In this situation, our income is $70,000. And so $70,000 fits into the tax bracket here, which is the tax bracket between $45,000 and $120,000. So at this tax bracket, you're paying $5,092, which is the tax on $45,000, plus 32.5 cents for every dollar that you earn over $45,000. So essentially, when we break that down, for every dollar you earn more than $45,000, you're paying 32.5%. So if we do the quick calculations for this one, $2,000 times, I'll show you that, $2,000 times the 32.5% gets us to $650. So it depends on the tax bracket that you're in as to how much extra you get back for your tax deductions or your tax claims. but it's never dollar for dollar. The maximum you can get back is 45 cents in the dollar. So even if you spend $10,000 on something for work or for your rental property or for anything, then $10,000, you're going to get a refund back at the top tax bracket of $4,500. So that's my tip for today, is tax claim is not a tax refund. A tax claim is something that you can claim legitimately against your income. So there's got to be that link between your income and the cost, and it's not automatically refundable. So it's only based on the percentage of your income that you receive that you get tax back for. Okay, if you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to share it or like it or comment if you want any other videos. Have a great day.